about cleaning up plastic and to spread awareness.
Thank you so much, Hotpack, for associating with UFK in this program, Mission Abate. And it's a real pleasure to have all of you here with over 125 people, volunteers, including children, parents, come up and take part in this initiative. And we could see a change over here. When we came in, there were a lot of plastics filled up over here in this place, and now it's completely empty and all the plastics are dumped up over here. So in this 1.5 hour process, all children were actively involved, parents and all volunteers were actively involved. That's where the pleasure lies in the program. Thank you so much.